Welcome aboard Holland America's Volendam, and today we're going to check out cabin 1805, which is a large Oceanview stateroom. This particular cabin is located on the Dolphin Deck, which is deck 1. It can accommodate up to 2 guests. Take a look at the configuration. This is a bit unique. Notice how the beds are situated. The window is a porthole. Quite interesting. You see the porthole there. The porthole can be closed. Over here we have the bathroom. Got a seat there as well. Plenty of handrails. Taking a look around the bathroom, you can see a shower curtain there. Large shower recess, no bath. Turning back around to take a look at the cabin, you can see the TV to the right here, the seating area, and that's it for this particular cabin.